guys, and welcome back to another Boxycharm premium unboxing. This one is for June of 2021, so we've got our little card here, as well as the list of stuff and the values, so we're going to just dive in. Although I am going to make the observation once again that I think my normal base box is worth more than the stuff in this. So anyways, starting right off, we've got, let's see here, by Marc Jacobs, we have the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. Now this retails for $27, and it says, experience ultimate volume and the look of thick false lashes. This lash maximizing curvy brush places the most volume at the hard to reach center lash line and defining tip style lashes. And the defining tip style lashes. Styles! I can read! Anyway, this mascara's ultra-concentrated black pigment delivers the greatest impact, and the Flash Volume Complex creates instant smudge-free length and volume in 3 strokes or less. That's quite the claim you make. Wonder if it pans out. So there's that. Next, we have by Lorac, the Unzipped, Unauthorized Eyeshadow Palette. So this retails for $25. This sleek collection of 5 ultra-rich shades is curated to create a wide range of looks, from natural to glam. The shadows are silky, versatile, and ultra-blendable for an effortless, smooth application. Includes a dual-ended brush for seamless blending and definition. Okay, I'll bite. Let's take a look. Where the hell's it? Okay. I was like, where's it open from? There we go. Okay. We've got a little zipper on the front. Gonna block that mirror, as usual. These are pretty basic shades, not gonna lie. Pretty basic. I'm liking that one at the end, but also looks like somebody has swatched it. Kinda concerns me, but at the same time it might just be the way it was pressed, so I mean, I'm trying to not tweak too hard over it. And yeah, it does come with this double-edged brush, or double-ended brush, which is always nice. But yeah, so the names are Unashamed, Unapologetic, Undeterred, Daring, and Explicit. Figures that the one I like the best, just by the colors, is Explicit. That seems very me. Okay, let's put this back in there to keep it from getting all dirty. And we'll stick in the box for now. I don't know when I'll get around to reviewing that guy, but you know I will eventually. So, there's that. Next up, we have got, by Skin Regimen, the 1.85 HA Booster. Now this is the money item, because this retails for $115. A hydrating serum with a concentrate of 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, micro, macro, and cross-linked to infuse the skin, lock in moisture at various levels, and restore optimal levels of hydration. Free from silicones and synthetic fragrance. 99.2% natural origin ingredients. Well, shit. Let's look at it. Like, that is quite the pricey little product here. You'd never know by looking at it that it's worth so much, but my god. Also being that dark. Oh, it's a hella dark purple bottle. That's cool. So I thought it was black at first. It's not. It's purple. That's cool as hell. So there's that. Next up is the Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense. This retails for $28. And this is, let's see here. Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense is a weightless, dry aerosol heat protective spray. This nourishing argan oil and vitamin-fueled formula rehydrates the hair while protecting against the damaging effects of heat styling up to 450 degrees. Good shit. Good shit. Lord knows I can take all the heat protection I can muster. So next, we have Lashaholic Luxury Lashes in Kiss Me. So we can take a look at those. I still don't know how the fuck to put on false lashes. One of these days I'm going to have to figure it out, because I'm fighting to amass quite the collection of false lashes that I've never used because I don't know how. And as a Liza Minnelli fanatic, I feel like a huge failure for not knowing how the hell to put on false lashes, because it'd probably be my next obsession if I knew how, but these were $15.99, and it's a new launch product. If I knew how to put them on, I'd probably be a lot more excited over those. And finally, from Floss Beauty, which I think I did have that one lip gloss that I absolutely adore from them. The Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. This is $22, and a hydrating cheek and lip tint for an effortlessly beachy vibe. Formulated for convenience and ease of use, these weatherproof, no-brush needed tints blend seamlessly into the skin for all-day wear. Apply directly onto cheeks and lips and blend out with the tips of your fingers. Let's see, what color is it? I was like, oh, that's... Come back, you. I was like, that doesn't tell me much, but... Come on. Oh, it screws off. Durr. Okay. Oh, shit. You're telling me this is for my cheeks and my lips? I could definitely see it working for lips, but, that's awful, dark for me, just saying. Doesn't smell like anything, but, wow. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Because I don't know how I feel about that for cheeks, but maybe it goes on a lot lighter, maybe it blends out really well, I don't know, but that's it! That's it for the premium box. I told you, like I said, the other box was actually better this month. A lot of months it is, but anyways. So that's it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big ol' like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, bye!